In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable dark mode Gmail. If your inbox looks darker than you'd like and you want the classic bright view again, I'll walk you through the exact steps on a computer, along with a few helpful checks to make sure the change sticks. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open settings. In the panel that appears, choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. You'll land on the General tab. Here, scroll until you find the Theme section, or switch to the Theme area if it appears as its own tab in your version of Gmail. In Theme, select Light to immediately switch off dark mode. If you prefer Gmail to match whatever your computer is set to, you can choose Default, which follows your system appearance. After you've made your choice, scroll down and click Save Changes if you're prompted to do so. Some interfaces apply the theme automatically, but if you see a Save button, make sure to click it so your preference is stored. That's all it takes to disable dark mode on the web. If your inbox refreshes and still looks dark, don't worry. There's one common reason. Many recent versions of Gmail can follow your device or browser appearance. That means if your computer is set to a dark theme at the system level, Gmail may mirror that, even if you didn't see a clear light versus dark toggle inside Gmail. In that case, open your computer's appearance settings and switch your system theme to light, then reload Gmail. If your browser has a setting that aligns with your OS theme, Gmail will usually follow along. Here's a quick troubleshooting recap. If changing the Gmail theme doesn't seem to work, check your device or browser theme and make sure it's set to light. Gmail may prioritize that setting. Also, keep in mind that some older Gmail app versions or certain accounts might not show a dedicated theme toggle. If you're using Gmail on your phone and don't see a theme option inside the app, switching your phone's system theme to light often forces Gmail to change as well. Once you've made these adjustments, your inbox should return to the bright, easy-to-read layout you're used to. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your lighter Gmail experience.